So this is question number 14.6, and the question says, in half wave rectification, what is the output frequency if the input frequency is 50 Hz? What is the output frequency of full wave rectifier for the same input frequency? Okay, so we have two things. We have here half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier, right? Input is 50 Hz, then we have to find the output. So what happen in half wave rectifier, that it only takes the half of the input, half of the wave of the input that we are giving. So that input is going to get same as the output. Output is the same as input, right? So we are going to get output here is also 50 Hz. But in a full wave rectifier, what happens is it takes the whole wave as a input, right? So what happens here is the both half cycle is considered in full wave rectifier, so frequency becomes double here. So the output frequency will going to be double of that input frequency, and that is 100 Hz, right? So this happens here, right? So in half wave rectifier the output is 50 Hz, and in full wave rectifier the output is 100 Hz, and that is the answer.